Hey, today we are making a chunky bass, a bass that I saw from Eliminate. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. One more time. Yes, sir. This bass I saw off of his newest video, the breakdown of Kill Shit, which is super dope. You guys should check it out in the description. During the drop, he plays a certain section that it's really hard. It's like the first bass of when he starts it. So we remade that, showing you guys how this goes down. It's a loud, chunky bass. So let's do this. First, we're going to start the sound off with this chord. Then we get into the bass. If you look at the MIDI, we got an A, an F, and an E. Cool. 2 layers, or 3 layers. Sub zone here. Kill the sub. And then for this first layer, we're going to go in. So first, we're going to get into the Serum. We're going to check out the chunky. Let's go to the LFO one. Get your LFO set up. Put it on rate quarter note. What we're using is vowel fret-like bass. Analog basic CJW. Look at the LFOs. Level all the way. FM from beat 39. The white noise is on bright white, 43 on the level. The sub is kind of up here, 15%. Then we go all the way up with the LFO. Direct out. It's a little roundy sub. And then we have a filter, high notch 12. Cutoff set 103. Going up 22. Resonance is at 37. We're going up 22. Frequencies at 62. We're going down negative 17. This is adding a lot of movement. The LFO's adding some spontaneity. And then if you look at the octaves here, we're on +2. Randoms are down. This is how we have this patch set up. This is the first sound, and the effects are still on. So we can go ahead and turn the effects off. First effect that we're going to add, chorus. Mix that 41. Throw it on here. It's going both ways, 47. Delay 2.2, 3.6. Also, I do need to let you know, if you guys want this project file with all the basses, you can get it in my Patreon, and you can actually, remake this. Otherwise, just follow along and you'll be able to get it down. If you look at this here, the EQ is going to be cleaning up the sound. So listen. Now, when we turn the EQ on, putting the frequency down, and then we're using the LFO to shape the sound. So it's going up 85. This is a big key. When you're using a lot of distortion, a lot of craziness, you want to be able to shape your sound after you make it crazy. And then you make it crazy again, and then reshape your sound. And you keep going back and forth, and that's how you manipulate in sound design. So with this EQ, it's doing it nicely. We even have it going down a little bit right there. Dope. So then we add a little bit of stereo width. Mixes are down. We're going up 34. Then we're going up 26. Filter. It's on reverb to add that spontaneity. It's at 137 hertz. Resonance is at 35%. We're going up 20. Sounds like this. So hear that? That's adding that nice dubstep bassy sound. The reverb filter doing what it does. We're going to distortion diode 2, drives all the way down. This is a good push and pull. Distortion is going up 27, adding great dynamics with the distortion. Then phaser, turn it on. Mixes down all the way up 37 with the LFO. Frequencies at 259. And then we're going to be going down -7. Rates all the way down. Turn on the compressor. Gains at 5.6. Release 83. Attack 89. Adding volume. And in this delay, we're adding more stereo width. And then the reverb at the end to add some verb, but it's not all the way on. It's moving with the LFO. If you see right here, we have another LFO on a quarter note. This is affecting the reverb wet. Very good. And then this LFO 2 right here is another LFO we have going that's affecting the reverb cutoff and adding a little bit more tonality with this movement, -8. Quarter note. So lots and lots of movement, and we're getting it pretty loud. We're at about -6 LUFS with just this patch, but we're going to add another patch on top of it to get us up to -3 and get us to where we need to be. In the breakdown that Eliminate did, he showed us that he did that patch, and then he did a Virtual Riot patch. And the Virtual Riot patch that he used was this one, Bass Tour Life. It's in the preset 1 folder. The only thing he did was he brought it down. It was at +3, bring it down to +2. Easy. Cool. All right, so we're going to listen to the first sound. Then we're going to add the second sound. Nice. And then we add the sub. The sub is just a Dripment clean sub. You can mess with the harmonics. Nice. I like that. This is amazing. You guys remember to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want more of this. I want to show you what I did. I made another patch here to make it sound a little bit different. I really like lower pitch, like more mid-bassy sounds. It's a little bit too high pitched, even though it sounds sick with that sub. But if we leave the Riot 10, then we add this new one I call Lolo. Sounds like this. This is more of like a deeper vibe. You can mess with the FM from B LFO to make your perfect bass. And this one doesn't have as much dynamics. So if you wanted to add more dynamics, you can get this EQ, put it toward the end, and then mess with this LFO. Make what you like. And then boom, you got some basses. You got the basses that are killing the place. Once again, this is the chunky bass Lemonade style. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I'm Dripment. I make these tutorials. Let's make some more. Let me know what you want in the comments. Otherwise, peace out. Stay fresh. I later.